Do you want to record your working activities on your Apple Watch without using your iPhone? Then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to record work on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is press the crown to exit the Apple Watch face. Once you press the crown, use the crown to scroll through the app menu or scroll through the app menu like this, and then click on the workout app. Now, once you click on the workout app, you'll be taken to the workout page just like this. On your Apple Watch workout, you want to locate walk instead of running or other workout activity. So you can see there is outdoor walk. So there is also indoor walking. This depends whether you want to use the outdoor walk or your indoor walk. Just select whatever you want to use. In case of indoor walk, you need a treadmill for this. So if you don't have a treadmill, you want to use the outdoor walk where you just walk down the street. And then you take record of your walking activities, how many steps you've taken, and how many calories you burn for the day. Then go ahead and click on outdoor walk. Here you're gonna see walking at the top left, and then your heart rate, the calorie you burn. If you scroll down, you're gonna have access to the activity log. And if you swipe left or right, you have information about your outdoor walk to either pause, end, or segment it, or even check in. Now, to keep recording your outdoor walk or walk on your Apple Watch, you can just let the screen be or press the H crown to exit the workout phase like this. And you're gonna have the workout indication here or on the watch face screen. And once you are done taking your walk, to see your working activity for the day, just click on the icon or scroll down, locate and click on the workout. Then you're gonna see how long you've been working. Click on it, then swipe like this, and then click on end. Then here you're gonna have access to your working detail for the day on your Apple Watch, just like this. So that is basically how to record work on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.